Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse.
You can see the website, click on that. Now here you can see how the website looks. If I scroll down, here you can see their video generation feature. You can see how it works.
Here you can see the prompt and the videos.
Now here you have this text to video where you can create videos from your text prompt. And here you have this image to video where you can animate your images with AI. And here you have this repaint.
Transform your videos with AI. You can use all these options. So let's go and use here their text to video. You have to click on try for free and then you have to sign in with your Google account. Here you can see that how their homepage look. Here you have text to video, animate your image, repaint and create with a text prompt and animate your image. And here you also have this option extend your video. This is not available but it will come soon, so I'm really excited about that. Now here you can see all these videos. These all videos are created by this Haiper AI, so you can see here these videos and you can get inspiration from them. Let's go and create a video with text. Here I have written the prompt, a dog reading a book. Here you can also select the style. First style I have just chosen here cyberpunk. You can choose here watercolor, old film, all these options are available, and then just generate. Here you can see that they are generating. Here you can see that how much options we have. Here you have this one option, this two option, and here you also have this option. You can see here all these videos. These are just 2-second video. These videos are quite nice as they are free, so you can use that. Now let's go and try the animate your image. So here I will just provide an image. Now after choosing the image, here you have to provide the prompt. Now here you can see that how it turned out. Here you can see that it's night but it's just 2 seconds, so you can't see much movement. You can generate video here for completely free, and here these videos are generated in HD qualities. That is very amazing, so go and try it out. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.